सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodity markets. I am Ria, and in today's video, we are diving deep into the black pepper market, which is showing some significant movement. In the domestic Indian market, black pepper is on a clear upward trajectory. Prices have gained 2,500 rupee over the last 19 trading days, with a jump of 200 rupee per quintal just on Monday. This rally is being fueled by two key factors: very strong buying interest and a significant drop in new arrivals to the market. We are seeing arrivals down to just 22 tons, a sharp decline from last week's average of 35 tons. This scarcity is certainly putting upward pressure on prices. Now, let's look at the global scene. In Vietnam, a major pepper producer, prices are holding steady. They are currently trading in a tight range of 140,000 to 143,000 Vietnamese dong per kilogram. There's a lot of optimism in Vietnam thanks to favorable flowering during the current rainy season, which bodes well for the next crop. However, a potential threat of heat waves remains a concern for the 2026 harvest yields. Meanwhile, a new factor is entering the market. Brazil's northern pepper harvest is set to begin this month. This new supply could introduce a level of downward pressure on international prices. According to the international pepper community, global production is estimated to be between 550,000 and 600,000 tons. Interestingly, only about 400,000 to 450,000 tons of this is traded internationally. The rest is consumed domestically by major producing countries like India and Indonesia. While the core supply-demand situation seems to support higher prices, a massive price rally might be limited. The reason for this cautious outlook is the robust global production forecasts combined with potential new tariffs, which could act as a headwind. Overall, market sentiment remains cautiously optimistic. Let's quickly look at the latest prices. In the domestic market, all prices are per quintal Kochi. Ungarbed is at 68,400 rupees, garbled at 70,400 rupees, and 500 GL at 67,400 rupees. Karnataka, Kushalmr is trading between 68,200 rupees and 70,500 rupees, while Chikmagalur is at 68,300 rupees to 70,600 rupees. And for our international viewers, here are the FOB export prices. Brazil Asta, $6,000 per metric ton. Vietnam 500 GL, $6,240 per metric ton. Vietnam 550 GL, $6,370 per metric ton. Indonesia Asta, $7,154 per metric ton. Malaysia, MYR 9,400 per metric ton. That's all for today's black pepper analysis. We'll be back soon with more insights and updates. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more expert commodity analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.